How to get rid of face emojis on iPhone, or also known as Memoji. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way as to how you can get rid of face emojis on the iPhone, which is also otherwise known as Memojis. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to get rid of face emojis on the iPhone, it's very simple. Just the way you created them, go to the messages tab over here and open up any of the random conversation, and just over here at the bottom you'll find all these options. Just go to the Memoji icon which you see right over here. If you don't find it, you might have to tap on the icon shown above. So tap on the Memoji icon, you'll be able to see a list of Memojis which you have created in the past. So if you want to get rid of these Memojis, all you have to do is open that up and tap on the three dots which you see at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you tap on the three dots, you'll find the option to edit, duplicate or delete. But since we're learning to get rid of it, what we have to do is just tap on the option called delete. So once you tap on the delete option, you can see this option that says delete. So tap on it in order to get rid of this particular Memoji. Similarly, the other one is going to appear up again. So tap on the delete option and again select the delete. You can repeat the process for all the other Memojis, or also known as face emojis, that you want to delete. Now these are the preset one, you cannot really delete them, but the ones which you have created, we just learn how we can delete them. And this is how you can get rid of face emojis on iPhone, which is also otherwise known as Memojis. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.